When you think about your money in retirement, where do you think it is? Probably in your bank, maybe in your investments. Maybe you've got some money tied up in your home's equity. But what if I told you that you might have money sitting right in your closet and you don't even know it? Now, I'm not talking about some hidden cash in the pockets. I'm talking about things that you may be getting ready to donate, give away, or throw out that somebody else may be willing to pay some real money for. And if you're downsizing or minimizing, I want you to pay particular attention to this because you may be getting rid of or getting ready to get rid of some things that are actually very valuable. Now, let me show you what I mean. Let's start right here in the closet. So, first up, let's talk about vintage band t shirts. So, why would these be in your closet? Well, maybe they're not in your closet. Maybe these are in an uncle's closet or grandpa's closet who's passed away. And now you have the task of going in and cleaning out his old things. Or maybe if you're my age or you're in retirement age, you have been to some concerts and things, and you've seen some really good bands out there, and maybe you have bought some tour T-shirts. Some of these things can be very, very profitable, and very valuable, I should say. Um, just here, let me pull up a couple of these so you can see what an old concert T-shirt may be worth. Let's look at this one right here. For instance, this one is a vintage Red Hot Chili Peppers. You remember Red Hot Chili Peppers? Now, check this out, guys. This is an old vintage band t shirt. Look at this. This thing's worth $3,600. That's right. Might be in your closet, it might be in grandpa's closet, but these are out there, and this is a sold listing. Let me show you another one. Here's another one. Let's take a look at this one. This one is Nirvana, and the Nirvana t-shirt here you can see sold. These are all sold listings, sold for $2,131. Old vintage band t-shirts can be very, very valuable. So, some of them are only worth 50, 60, 80, $100, but there are some that are very valuable, and you need to be aware of that. You don't want to be just donating them, because I I honestly believe, trust me, there's going to be another reseller out there watching for that item that you just donated. Still not convinced? Let's take a look at one more here. Take a look at this one. Now, this one is Motorhead. Some of you may not know them, some of you will know them. This one is also a sold listing, and this one sold for $2,000. My whole point is here that, they're not all that valuable, but many are. But some obscure bands, 100, 200, $500, and you're getting ready to donate because you're minimizing. Think about that. Okay, so while you're in that closet, take a look around. There could be other things. Here, let me give you another example. Let's take a look at this one. Here's a pair of vintage Levi jeans. Not all vintage Levi jeans, particular ones. Look at this, $5,000 for a pair of vintage jeans. Now, I do put these ones, these high-end ones on here to open your eyes. There's many jeans out there that are worth $100, $200, $500, $800. This particular pair, $5,000. But it's not just in your closet. There's other places in your house, in your home, that can hold some very valuable items. And this is why estate sales can be good too, because many times when someone passes, the people putting on the estate sale, they have no idea the value of some of these things. Let's take a look. Let's go downstairs. And we go downstairs, um, and we just check through, the old outdoor clothing, the old outdoor jackets and things, and look what we find. Here's a good example right here. This one, I'm going to show you this one. Now, this is also sold. I've talked about these before. This is a Carhartt jacket. It's stuck down in the old workwear, down in the basement. Look, $1,350. Do you have an old jacket laying around? Well, yeah, I don't have any Carhartt jackets. They're really in demand. Yes, they're in demand, and this is why. But you know what? Maybe you've got an old Levi's jacket. Let's look at an old Levi's, not a Carhartt, old Levi's jacket. Check this one out. I'm going to show you right here. $6,500 for an old Levi jacket. Now, again, not all old Levi jackets are worth that. You have to do your research and find out which ones are, but many are worth $100, $200, $500, $800. This particular one, $6,500. Okay, so let's get away from clothing. We're away from the closet. We went downstairs and looked around. Now let's go to the kitchen. Let's go check out your kitchen. And while we're in the kitchen, let's pull out the silverware drawer. Now we've got the drawer, and now let's take a look at what possibilities are in here. Maybe you have some vintage silverware. Look at this. This old set here sold $1,249. Now you say, well, everybody watches for silver, and a lot of people do. Guys, my point is these things are out there, and you may have these hidden treasures in your home that you're not even aware of. Let me give you another one. You know how you get different wedding gifts and things. Let's say that you happen to have received a set of Cutco knives for a wedding gift. Vintage, old ones. They've been around a long time. Let's take a look at that. Here you go. Here's a vintage Cutco knife set in a Cutco block, and it sold for $550. Do you have any old Cutco knives? Maybe they're not Cutco. Maybe it's another brand. You might want to look them up before you donate them or just give them away. It may surprise you. But before we stop looking through those type of things, your kitchen and your basement and your closet, they can all hold very valuable items. Especially remember minimizing. A lot of people, when they're downsizing and they're minimizing, they are dumping things. They're getting rid of things without even checking. I would highly recommend that you check these items before you just donate them or you just throw them away, which some people do. But before we end, let's go to your junk drawer, or down to your old electronics box that's in the basement. And and I've talked about this one before, there's a very valuable item down there that sells regularly. And what is that? It's right here. It's a Texas Instruments TI-84 Plus calculator. This thing sells regularly, and you can find them. I've found several, and typically what I find around here are somewhere in the $10 to $20 range. And I sell them quickly, very quickly, at $40 to $50 very quickly. And you can see on this one, it sold for $72. Now, on the calculator, I was explaining to my son about this vintage calculator that sells regularly, and he asked about it and which calculator is it. And when I told him that it was the TI-84 Plus, he was shocked. He said, "Dad, that's the same calculator that I used when I was in college." The point being that I'm telling you, there are lots of these out there. These can be found, and you can. I do, and they're good sellers. So anyway, guys, these items are out there. They're hidden in your home. They're at estate sales. If somebody passes away in the family, just understand that these things are kind of hidden away, and it's hidden treasure. Can be worth a lot of money to you. I hope you enjoy this kind of information. Guys, let me know if you have found a hidden treasure, something that you uncovered that was a lot more valuable than you first thought. If you did, leave it in the comments. I would love to hear about it, and I'm sure my audience would like to hear it too. Guys, so until next time, take care of yourselves. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on my next video.